Hello everyone, it is gamingtat here. Short-ish video I'm going to do just saying some things and opinions on Windows 10. As I said a few videos back that when it came out, I was going to do videos as soon as it came out, but I was just kind of lazy and forgot, and I was focused on other things at the time. And another thing, I was giving it some wear and tear to see how it performed. There are some cons, there are some pros. Although the cons, I think, outweigh the pros, if you let me explain. So, let's go into it with a good note. Windows 10 is, on the UI, a lot nicer. It looks better, in general, than Windows 8 did. Windows 7 and 10, they're kind of UI-ish, they're both good. Is it faster? Slightly. When it comes to gaming, it is faster, slightly. I think the way the file system works in Windows 10 is a bit different though than Windows 8, because I was noticing something when I played Gary's mod in Windows 10 compared to Windows 8. I have a lot of mods on that game, hence the name Gary's mod. And usually on Windows 10 it would take me about half an hour or so to load into everything, right? Well, on Windows 10 I was slightly surprised that it took around 10, 15, 20 minutes. A lot shorter, and I could actually get more into the gameplay a lot faster. Besides that, speed-wise, functionability-wise, it is an improvement of Windows 8. For one reason, I will show you. Let's open this. Now, the start menu is nice. This is slightly useful. The live tile that comes default with it, like calendar, mail. Yeah, you may not want that, but still, this is kind of nice. The all apps. This is something that they should have implemented. Still, if you don't have Cortana turned on, they should implement a search function on here, like every previous version of Windows. Even 8 has search function within the application tray. On this one, it does not. One, you're in your start bar here, which still they have it built after words today. They have it categorized very nicely here with the alphabet. That's what I probably should have said. But yeah, the start menu is 500. No, it's over 9,000 times better than it was on Windows 8. Even with like Classic Start or a few of the third-party applications you could download and use as a traditional start menu. And now we come over to this little search feature right here, which as we wait for it, there it is. Now this is how you search the system for files, and you can use it to search things on the internet, which I don't really see useful. So a little demonstration. Look for that. I don't have anything with that name, so backspace of it, GO. Apparently I have something called, that looks like a Minecraft texture, but you get the point. Instead of having it in the start button, you have this little button over here with a magnifying glass icon if you do not have Cortana turned on. With Cortana turned on, that icon right there will replace that magnifying glass icon. But you may not want to have Cortana turned on for a simple reason, two reasons. One, it requires your location. Two, it requires your location. Now, if you're a desktop user like I am, or a laptop user like I am, I'm both, why do you need the location on for Cortana? I understand so it knows what's going on around you and stuff, but if you're a desktop user, there should be an option to use Cortana without your location on. That would be great, Microsoft, but you know what? That isn't there. So, what you will probably necessarily want to do, if you don't want Cortana always with your GPS on, because there's no reason for that to be on. Oh, and plus, if you have a laptop, your GPS on all the time takes up more battery, so you will have to plug it in more than you would have been off. So yes, I would advise, if you're not going to use Cortana whatsoever, if you already have Android phone, Google Now, or an iPhone with Siri, or Cortana on Windows Mobile. The Cortana is actually on Android and I think iOS now, so you can technically get Cortana on there better without having to have your main home PC have the GPS on for no reason whatsoever. Now that I've talked about that, let's go into a little something that was bothering me. Let's open up a random folder. I don't think it's going to do this now. Let's go to me. That's not the right one. Let's go to this PC, my bad. Now, you see it's right here. Right here. Now, if I right click, you see what it was doing there? You see how it flickered really quickly out of control? Well, see, it's doing it again. It has been doing that for a day or so now, and you see, it goes away randomly. This why is not patched. This is very annoying. Especially if you're somebody with a secondary computer right next to you, and you want to transfer files whatsoever, whatever you want to transfer really, and you want to get that onto your computer, but you need to, like, I don't know, format the drive because your drive just gets randomly corrupted or fragmented, which kind of happens to me a lot. Yeah, you're gonna have a bit of a trouble if you want to do that simply because half the time it will work, but it disappears. I really want to do something right now, but I can't. I can, but I can't. It's a little bug. It's really annoying, but that's not the worst of what's going on here. I don't know if this is just me. Really don't. But if you leave your computer, let's go to Chrome. This is the video I'm watching. If I leave this on, if I go autoplay, like this, I'll leave this on overnight. It's overnight streaming in the background on my TV. I wake up in the morning, my screen is black, and it's unresponsive, and I don't like that, because then I have to manually press the power button, and I have to go to grub, and I'll get to that in just a second why I said grub, and that's to go back to the Windows bootloader to get back into Windows 10. I'll explain what I just said in a second about that grub thing, but that's a big problem, but there's another one. I'm not going to just demonstrate this for some fact. I don't know if it's going to do it. It doesn't do it all the time, but it will sometimes. If I'm playing something like Minecraft and I have mods with it or whatever, I assume anything graphic intensive, and I quit that and come back to Chrome, Chrome is frozen, and sometimes the taskbar is frozen. Speaking of taskbar, this is a bug other people have been having as well. When you let's count this one. Well, it works now perfectly fine since I'm recording, and the powers that be say it's going to work just fine. But half the time, things unresponsive. It doesn't want to open. It just gets unresponsive. This thing gets very unresponsive. See, it took a few seconds to open. It should be like that open. But yeah, sometimes it's really bad and it takes like 30 seconds or 40 seconds. So, now that I said those problems, remember I said the word grub and bootloader, right? Good. You've been watching this whole video. Good, thanks. But, yeah, I tool booted Ubuntu for the time being until Windows gets, I would say, usable and when it's buggy, because this is a final release project that has been in the making for, I would say, a year, 2 years and a half now. These problems shouldn't be here, simple as. So, for most of the time being, I'm going to be using Linux as like a secondary OS on this machine. And that brings me to another thing. If you want to see Linux-related videos, because I do like Linux. Linux is good, but I need Microsoft Windows for a few programs. One being Sony Vegas Pro, which is only on Microsoft Windows. And some random games that don't want to run in Linux. And I guess a few other programs, really any exe file that may run a bit shady in Wine. Because Wine is a great Windows emulator, but it doesn't work half the time, sadly. It's good though. But yeah, that kind of ends my opinion rant-ish thing on Windows 10. With leaving statements, I would just have to say if you have not upgraded to Windows 10 yet, please think about it. Don't upgrade right away because Okay, I'll show you. I'll just try. When I upgrade, I have no problems. I want to downgrade back to Windows 8.1. It's not letting me downgrade. It's just not working. And since it's not working, it's saying I do not have the right files to downgrade, which I'm pretty sure I do. Pretty sure on the motherboard I have there's a chip in there that can't be erased. I don't know if it can't be erased, but there's a chip on the motherboard that lets me go down to Windows 8. So I'm pretty sure Windows 8.1 should be somewhere on here. It's giving me that option, but it's not letting me downgrade. So yeah, I'm stuck with Windows 10. Until bugs are fixed and it's actually usable as a daily driver OS. So yeah, leave a statement. If you have not upgraded to Windows 10, do not upgrade yet. It's very buggy, beta-ish. It's not. If you're gonna upgrade, do a clean install. Do not do an upgrade like I did. Do a clean install. That might fix the problems. Yes. I am done on this little rant-ish, opinionated thing. Leave your comments and stuff on your Windows 10 experience in the comment box below. Gamingtat out and have a orange day.